Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project, where I like to share my everyday life projects with you. And today's project is making a spring wreath for my front door. I'm really excited about it. I wanted it to have kind of a garden theme with the use of this kid shovel. Now, it's not a small kid shovel. It does measure around 3 feet long, and it is made of metal and wood. And you can see that it's painted red. So I thought it'd be really fun to build my wreath upon the shovel. So it's not going to be your traditional, of course, round wreath. And right here I just made a simple loopy bow with long tails in that brown color. I didn't want it to compete with the color of these pretty flowers, and so I picked out these flowers from Michael's, got them 50% off, and I just wanted an assortment of color. You can see the peaches and pinky color, also some whites, greens, kind of a lime green there, reds, purple, white. I love this beautiful big pink flower, yellows, just so fun. Right here, more of your branch style florals with some blues, more pinks and whites. I've already removed all of their little tags and cut down the stems and removed some leaves. And then over here I have my hot glue gun, my wire, scissors, just whatever I need to attach everything to the shovel. So I'm just going to start layering everything on, either attaching it with hot glue, which may be more simple than wiring everything on, and then attaching my bow. And I will just show you what it looks like when I have it all finished and hanging on my front door. So guys, here it is, all finished, hanging on my front door. I love the way that it turned out. I love all of the bright spring color, and that's what I wanted, just something to look like spring with a bunch of flowers and to have a garden theme. So up here at the top, you can see kind of those floral branches coming out the top, and I thought that would look pretty to kind of start as my base and build everything up on. All of these different flowers, I've kind of just spread out the color, filling in the holes and the gaps using a hot glue gun, just glued everything on, and I've kind of mimicked the branches coming out the top. I did the same thing out the bottom to kind of balance everything out, and I think it turned out really pretty. Now I kept all of the florals kind of to the right side and putting the bow more to the left. Now if you wanted to give this project a try, you could absolutely, put the bow in the center and have the flowers coming out the top and the bottom, just whatever you want to do. Now I'm so glad I went with a plain bow. I think that doing kind of a multicolor bow to match all of the flowers just would have been too much. I don't know, just for me. But I'm really happy that I went with a simple bow. I think it just looks really good. So I've attached everything using just a piece of jute twine, tied it on the back so you can't see it, and hung it, attached it to the existing command hook that was already in place on the door. I picked up this shovel from Rural King for $4.99, and I think you can get it from their website, and also Amazon has something similar if you want to give this project a try. So guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any future projects. I thank you so much for watching. Happy spring, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.